Apparently, it's not enough to be running the biggest existing companies in the world. These guys, they want to build the next generation as well. Where else but generative AI? You mentioned Musk and Altman. Let me run through. And these are reports. Elon Musk is in talks to raise up to $6 billion for his startup. Brett Taylor, of the former co-CEO of Salesforce, and now he's on the OpenAI board. He is reportedly close to finalizing a $5 million investment in his firm, Sierra. And then, of course, there's Sam Altman, who is reportedly raising billions of dollars to build out a network of AI chip factories. Now, these are not small ambitions, nor are they cheap. It is very expensive to build in this space. I mean, we've talked about the compute power that is needed that has led to billions and billions going to companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. So that's needed. But also, there's this question of talent, and the race is on as well, right? I was at this dinner last night with some of the key players in enterprise AI, the CEOs of Box, Databricks, and Salesforce AI. And we were talking about sort of what is needed to build and develop. They were all very excited. The CEO of Salesforce AI said that this is a moment like 1997. We're going to start to see the winners, but the winners right now may not even be the winners a few years from now, kind of like how Google displaced Alta Vista and Yahoo ultimately. And this was really interesting from Ali Ghodsi, the CEO of Databricks. He said that a senior AI researcher was commanding something like $20 million over 4 years. And those are just astronomical levels, Tyler. That's like athlete level of compensation.
What is your reaction? I'm looking here at an Axios report indicating that the FTC may start to look at big tech's investments in AI.
Yeah, so we talked about this yesterday, and this follows sort of European regulators doing a similar thing, but they're looking into these deals, the type of deals that Microsoft inked with OpenAI, and looking to see that if it's kind of hindering the smaller startups in this space, as Microsoft, by investing, $13 billion into OpenAI, is it giving it an advantage? And that's probably relevant for some of these tech titans, although probably some of the smaller guys, because they start from such an advantage and they have an easier time raising money. But it just goes back to this whole idea of who's going to win this massive shift that some say is as big as the internet or the industrial revolution. Is it going to be the incumbents, the Microsoft, Googles, Amazons, that are able to spend these billions of dollars from their balance sheet, or is it going to be new players?
Fascinating stuff.